Hi, welcome to another new video. I hope you guys doing really well, and in this video I am going to talk about how to add product reviews on Shopify. And this video will be a breakdown by step guideline, and in this video I am going to talk about two apps throughout the video. One of will be looks.com and another words will be Judge. So though both are really accepted between this Shopify, and both are really amazing and their service is really pretty much good. So here let's dive into the main topic. So first of all, as you can see, we already set up our Shopify store, and this is our online store. In here, if I click on view your online store, just it will redirect me to that place where I am able to visit that place. Here you can see we already set up many things in that place. So this is our products, and this is our interface, and this is our checkout page, cart page. So we already set up everything, but just right now I just want to complete my review option in that place, so people can leave their product review on that place when they will purchase, and they will find out this product is really awesome, and now they just want to publish a review for our appreciation. So let's go onto the setting, or you can go from this apps person. Just click over here, and here you just need to be search Judge, and here you can see that we have this option, Judge.me reviews option. Just click over here. Once you click over here, it will redirect you to the next page where you are able to install these options in your my store shopify.com. Here you can see this one, this review app. Just click over here and install it, and here you can see the pricing, the free plan available, popular with stores like your best in Bangladesh and many more. So just click on install. Once I click over here install, it will take a while, and then it will be installed in my Shopify store, and then they will ask me to set up whole process on my Shopify store so they can integrate it with our Shopify design. So here you can see, just follow my procedure one by one, then you will understand how easy the process was. Just click on start setup. Once you click over here, it will take a while, and then it will redirect you to the next step where you are allowed to enable embedded on your Shopify store. Just click over here. Once you click over here, it will redirect you to the next page, and this is the editing panel of the Shopify store where you just need to be enable this option Just.me. Once you set up it, just click over here into the save button. Here you can see, click on Ctrl S, or you can change whatever you want, so you will get the save option. So once you done, just go again over here and click on save, and then you will eventually find out that your Just.me has been enabled. And if you just go, and here you need to find out, and here you can see install the widget review. I already installed it, that's why it already get right. That's why just click over here, continue. Once I go over here, then they will ask for to install widget in ads. I already did that. For a reason I'm getting this kind of a message, but your message will be different. So just click on continue, and here you can select your color. I'm going to make it black, then click on continue and just click on finish, and you can see all done. You are now ready to collect reviews and display them in your store. So let's explore Just.me for further information. So here you can see, here this is the interface we are getting in Just.me. If you want to add any review option in your product page, just go over here and just click in the options on this animal, and here if you want to add anything, you are allowed to add it. So here you can see we already added some widget. Just click over here, let's delete it, and delete it, and let's upload it again. I'm going to add a block, and in here I'm going to add this review widget. So I'm going to add this review or session for medals. Just click over here, and it will take a while, and eventually you can see the result. So we don't have any medal, that's why we are not allowed to watch it. So let's add another blog. Just click over here and visit the apps, and just click over here review widget, and now eventually you can see we have some review about that place, and customer can leave their review in that platform also. So I always prefer this one, this review widget. It looks familiar with our website. Once you've done your design, just go over there, and in the right corner in the top bottom you will find out the save button. Just click over here. Once you click over here, it will be perfectly right. And then I talk about the looks platform. This is also another review app. That for reason, just click on the apps and then search for looks and enter. You can see this is the looks reviews. Just click over here, and both are similarly same. So here I am going to install it, and then I will redirect to the next page where I can install it perfectly. So here you can see it will take a while and then it will be installed perfectly. So I'm going to keep it here, and they are asking for to use looks for free. Just click over here, and they are give us the welcome message, and then continue, and you can customize looks for your brand. Like what color is your brand color, like it would be green, it would be pink, it would be anything you want. So I'm going to make it this color, and you can choose any icon you want. It's totally up to you. Let's go. Or you can choose the display review option also. So I'm going to click on continue, and then you can see when should we ask for reviews, 14 days, and then click on continue. And you continue offer discount for submitting photo and videos, 10% it will be, and then click on continue and just go. Then also similarly they are asking for enable script. Just click over here, enable script. Once you click over here, it will redirect you to the similarly the same page previously we did, and the process is similarly same. So here you can see our looks core script has been enabled. I am going to click on save. Once I click over here save, it will be perfectly enable. As you can see, looks core script enable. Just go to looks admin, and here you can explore all the features of the looks. So here if you want to add looks on your store, just go over here and click on this section and go and add section. Click on add section and go over here, and here you can see we have many options regarding to looks. So I'm going to add snippet widget. So here you will finally see the result. Then let's add another blocks that will be related to looks, trusted badge, and also we don't have both of, yeah, you can see we already get one. So this way you can do it whatever you want. If you want to add product review option, just visit the product review page, and then similarly go over here and add blocks. Just go, and here you can see we have further more option. I'm going to add one that will be product reviews widget, and here you can see this is the product review widget from looks. So the process is really simple. You just need to be understand. If you watch this video, then you already identify how you can do it, the process. And in the last, I just want to mention you that if you love this video, then don't forget to subscribe our channel, and don't forget to share with your friends. Even if you have any question related to this video, ask me on the comment box. I will give you all the answer there. And till then, have a good day. I will catch you in the next video.